Hello, children. Very good morning to all of you. I'm sure you all are good and you all are enjoying your online studies. So, students, today I'm going to explain you the third lesson of the supplementary reader An Alien Hand, and the name of the chapter is The Desert. So, students, in this lesson, we are going to know more about a desert, right? So, how people think about desert? What do they think? Some of them think like it's useless because it's hot and dry, but actually, it's not correct. It's a beautiful place. A desert is a beautiful place. So, let us know more facts about a desert, right? So, let us begin the lesson. A desert is generally without water and vegetation. Vegetation means greenery, plants, trees. A green patch with fresh water and green trees in the middle of the vast desert is a beautiful sight. So, students, in a general way, a desert is without water and it is not having vegetation. But sometimes at some places, a green patch of land, patch is like small area, with fresh water and green trees is there in the middle of the vast means wide, huge desert, and that place is a beautiful sight means view, nazara. Okay, a desert may be too hot or too cold. This you all know. A desert may be too hot or it may be too cold. Too means बहुत ज़्यादा. Those of us who live in regions covered with forests and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. So, the people who live in the areas which are covered with trees and which are surrounded by hills, for them, उन लोगों के लिए बहुत difficult है it is very difficult to imagine करना भी कि एक desert कैसा होता है, because desert is not having vegetation. But when a person belongs to a place where he or she is surrounded by vegetation and hills, तो उनके लिए बहुत difficult होगा imagine करना कि एक desert कैसा place होता है, right? Because those people are familiar to all the greenery and all. Okay, the popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls and therefore no vegetation grows. So what is believed? अच्छा, आपसे कोई पूछे what is a desert, so आप क्या कहोगे कि basically it's a stretch of land which is full of sand and where never rain falls, कभी भी rain नहीं आती, and there is no vegetation. ऐसा ही बोलोगे? It is a popular belief. ऐसा लोग मानते हैं, right? It is dry, hot, waterless and without shelter, right? There is no shelter, right? It is waterless and all. But actually में ऐसा नहीं है. But this is not entirely correct. Entirely means completely. For those who have studied it, the desert can be a beautiful place. Okay, so the people who have knowledge about desert, they know that actually desert is not only a waterless patch of land. No, it can be a beautiful place. It is the home of a variety of people, animals and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. And do you know, it is a home of variety of people, animals, insects and number of plants. Okay, those plants, animals and people who have learned, जिन्होंने learn किया है what? To live under which condition? Dry and hot conditions. ऐसे लोगों और ऐसे animals का ये घर है, desert, right? So it's a beautiful place. True, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass, plants and trees as it is in other climates. So obviously, it's not like that. That ground is always having grass and all. ऐसा नहीं होता कि हमेशा ground पे grass होती है desert में, right? But whenever it rains, which is rare means hardly happens, बहुत कम होता है, right? So but whenever it rains, जब भी rain होती है, desert flowers bloom and sight can be as rewarding as that of any tropical garden. So it's not like कि हमेशा sand जो होता है, हमेशा जो land होती है desert की, it is filled with grass and flowers and all. No, but whenever it rains, but जब भी rain होती है, desert looks a beautiful place like any other garden because at that time flowers bloom. Okay, flowers खिल उठते हैं, right? So there's sort of greenery there. So whenever it rains, desert is as rewarding, as beautiful as any tropical garden, any beautiful garden. Okay, a desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. It is not always filled with dry sand and wasteland, and in this sort. But it may be a beautiful place also sometimes. It may have mountains and hills. It may have an oasis, big or small. Now, what is an oasis, students? It is a fertile area, fertile spot in a desert where water is found. Okay, एक desert में एक ऐसा area होता है, fertile area, जहाँ पे water होता है. Okay, so desert may have mountains or hills. It may have oasis, big or small. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. So due to this oasis, some trees and plants can grow. Okay, so it is a fertile spot in a desert. So this place also looks beautiful because it is greenery around that place, as plants can easily grow due to the water present in this oasis, right? A desert may be hot like the Thar desert, or it may be cold like Ladakh. Okay, but generally speaking, it is a place that has little or no water and vegetation. People usually call it a desert. Okay, so generally if we think of desert, what comes to our mind? क्या आता है mind में? कि ऐसा place जहाँ पे water और vegetation नहीं होता है, right? Some deserts are almost totally without water, और कुछ ऐसे deserts होते हैं जिनमें बिल्कुल भी water नहीं होता है. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. So, and in such places where there is no water, strong winds blow and heaps of sand. Heaps is like collection of sand. Small hills of sand come and deposit. They are deposited as mounds. Now, what are mounds? Mounds are like small hills. Okay, ढेर जिसे बोलते हो आप, collection हो जाता है वहीं पे. Okay, so these are called sand dunes, और इन्हें क्या कहते हैं हम? Sand dunes और sand hills, sand के बने हुए hills. Okay, that shift and move endlessly across the desert, और जैसे जैसे हवा चलती है, they just move across the desert. Few plants can survive on such dry shifts. Obviously few plants can survive. वो plants survive कर जाते हैं, रह जाते हैं जिनको आदत होती है dry region में रहने की. Okay, desert plants and animals learn to require much less water than most plants and animals. Okay, so students, let's take an example. If you go to some place, okay, where there is hot, so hot, so you will adapt yourself. आपको उस चीज़ की आदत हो जाती है, right? Same way जो यहाँ पे desert में plants होते हैं, they just adapt themselves. Okay, that means जैसा environment होता है उस according वो अपने आप को change कर लेते हैं. So these desert plants and animals, they learn to require much less water. Okay, इनको कम water चाहिए होता है. Okay, the camel is a typical desert animal. This you all know. Smaller desert animals have unusual means of satisfying their need for water. Okay, some desert animals are there जिनकी जो need of water होती है, they satisfy it or complete it, fulfill it in different ways, unusual ways. All living things need water in order to survive. This you all know. All living things need water in order to survive. Survive means to live. Okay, the few plants and animals that live in deserts have developed the ability to require less water than most plant and animals. Okay, but the plants and animals which are living in the desert, they require less water than other plants and animals. Okay, the camel, popularly known as ship of the desert, can drink a lot of water at one time. Okay, this you all know. Camel is known as ship of the desert and it can drink lot of water at one time. वो एक बारी में बहुत सारा पानी पी सकता है, right? Camels can do without water for days together and they can live without water for number of days. Okay, the reason is they sweat very little. क्या reason है इस चीज़ का कि इतना सारा वो जो water drink कर लेते हैं, right? They can store water and they sweat very little. Sweat means water comes out very little. Sweat means pasina आना. Okay, we sweat because we must keep our body temperature constant and we sweat when it goes hot. When do we sweat? When it goes hot, and this cools our body. When we sweat, it cools our body. Okay, कैमल्स कैन स्टैंड हाई बॉडी टेम्परेचर, और कैमल्स जो होते हैं दे कैन सर्वाइव इन हाई बॉडी टेम्परेचर, दैट मीन्स हॉट टेम्परेचर. Camels can stand high body temperature and they don't need to sweat and can therefore retain the water they drink for long periods of time. अच्छा, आपको पता है students, whenever we drink water, sweat comes out of our body. Sweat comes, पसीना आता है हमको. So in this way we are releasing the water, और इसीलिए water की कमी हो जाती है and then हमें प्यास लगती है, right? But camels don't sweat much. कैमल्स को ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग नहीं होती. दैट्स वाई दे कैन रिटेन वाटर, दे कैन स्टोर वाटर इनसाइड देयर बॉडी, एंड दैट्स वाई दे कैन स्टे फॉर लॉन्ग विदाउट water. Retain means to keep, like they can keep water with them for long because they don't sweat. Okay, so water की कमी नहीं होती है, right? In this way they can retain water they drink for long period of time. Okay. The smaller desert animals do not drink water. They burrow underground during the hot day and come out at night to eat. So smaller desert animals जो होते हैं और insects जो होते हैं, they don't drink water. What do they do? उसके अलावा वो क्या करते हैं? They just burrow underground during the hot day. Now what is burrow? Just to, they dig the ground. वो dig करते हैं, खोदते हैं ground को और वो अंदर चले जाते हैं ground के during day so that उनको hot ना लगे. Okay, and then they come out during night. Okay, some of them eat other animals and get water they need from the moisture in the meat. Now what is moisture? Wetness or humid. In Hindi you say it as nami. Okay, so some animals eat other animals and then they can get water from the meat of that animal which they have eaten. Okay, other eat plants and seeds and get water they need from plant juices. Okay, बाकी क्या करते हैं? They eat plants and then they can get water from plant juices. In this way they satisfy their drinking needs. Desert plants also adapt or change themselves to the life they lead. This I have already told you. Adapt means they change according to the climate. Okay. Cactus plants store water in their stick or stems, right? So cactus is a plant which is found in desert. It just stores water in its thick stems. Thick means broad or मोटी stems में वो अपना water store कर लेता है. Their roots lie close to the surface of the ground and quickly absorb the moisture from the light rains that occasionally fall. So whenever rain falls, the roots of cactus quickly absorb the water that is present on the land. Okay, जैसे ही water आता है, rain आती है, they just absorb. Cactus की roots absorb कर लेती हैं उस water को और retain कर लेती हैं, store कर लेती हैं. Right? The major feature of all desert is, of course, dryness and changes of temperature. Okay, these are the major features. Dryness, सूखा रहना. In humid climates, humid means whenever rain falls or whenever moisture is there, the moisture in air acts like a blanket and protects the earth's surface from the hot rays of the sun. So hot rays से protect करते हैं क्या? Moisture, जो कि moisture होता है surface पे, right? The absence of this blanket, what is a blanket? Blanket is just like a cover. Okay, so in the absence of this cover, it causes the desert to heat up rapidly during the day and to cool off rapidly at night. Rapidly means quickly. So basically students, when it is so hot, obviously, okay, in a land like where there are number of trees, okay, sun rays will not reach the ground easily क्योंकि trees होते हैं, but desert में trees नहीं होते हैं, तो जैसे ही sun rays आती हैं वो directly surface पे fall करती हैं. Okay, this results in hot climate there. Okay, so there's hot climates during the day and during night it's cool. Okay, deserts are an important part of nature's great plan. So it's very important part. Desert is an important part of the whole nature. They are there like the dense forest and deep oceans. So as dense forest and deep oceans are important, in the same way deserts are also very important. Just because they are hot and dry, one should not look upon them as useless parts of the earth. Okay, so what do we get from this lesson? Just because they are dry, क्योंकि सिर्फ वो dry हैं और उधर hot है, right? So we should not think that deserts are useless. हमें ऐसे नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि deserts are useless, उनका कोई use नहीं होता. No, they are also a very important part of our nature because number of animals, plants, they live there. Okay, so they are also a very important part of our nature, like फॉरेस्ट एंड ओशंस. जैसे फॉरेस्ट और ओशंस इंपॉर्टेंट है, वैसे ही डेजर्ट एरिया भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस द डेजर्ट. Okay, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Please read the lesson, students, at least twice. If you have any doubt regarding any line, any sentence, please let me know. Contact me anytime. Okay, do try the back questions. We'll discuss them later. Okay, so I'll see you all in your next class. Till then, just take care, students. Thank you so much.